Hop into the 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.